Coca-Cola in the bottles.
Okay, I'll help you put Coca-Cola in the bottles.
Come here.
I'll help put Coca-Cola in the bottles. Now, little tiny bottles.
Sorry, shush. I should have a drink. Ooh, I'm gonna have a sip of that today. Ooh, oh no, don't shake it. It's shaking. Oh, no, shake it. Don't worry, that's a joke. That's a believe.
Wait.
I'll do no more.
And
Coca-Cola, I don't feel like drinking this stuff up. I will
right.
get this out.
So we have two bottles here that we put filled with Coca-Cola. Now we need to put salt. How many balloons do you have? Show us. 2 balloons. So we need to put salt in a balloon and see what happens.
In one balloon or 2 balloons? Guys, this might be tricky.
Don't inflate. Leave it. So we are putting salt in. Get away. Putting salt in there.
Balloon!
Hold yours. Bring. Don't inflate.
Oh,
Next one.
the
You also put salt in there.
Kitchen.
Balloon.
Kitchen.
Not kitchen salt. Next, we're going to put our balloons on top of the bottle.
Don't put it on. Don't do
Hold the
it.
bottle.
Don't. Oh, that's not coming. But we do it together.
Sure. Be careful. Hold the bottle. Hold the bottle down. Sure.
Oh,
It's a bit tricky.
and that's for grown-ups.
You may need adult help to do this. So,
And then now.
wait. Now our balloons are ready. Can we flip them over and see what happens? Just hold the bottle. Just hold, spread and flip yours over and see. Whoa!
What is leaking?
Just put it there. It's a physical reaction. So that means don't shake. So that means there.
Okay.
So that means the Coca-Cola can actually magically inflate the balloon.
Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe. Comment. Bye.